hor nangai khamai thapla chawai thangbai kha nokni mani khunui ang deranai nukhungni samo bajaka Tripura thani youth icon Prashanto Riyang tei MDC Kenaram Riyang Chantil Bazar ni Lokhichhara Uttor Binoy Prasad Parawa tongnai Khoniram Riyang ni tongmano khamai thapla chawai thangkha tapsani bisingo khamai thapla chawai thangbai kha bebak mani khunui abu nokhuk gulai khlai tongwi tonglai kha Khoniram Riyang ni nukhung tomano manui naina thangai sogilai kha Chantil Bazar Tripura thani youth icon Prashanto Riyang tei MDC Kenaram Riyang
du phathara de
angke phathara bano bongkhe moya na ero no osok ejek na
abon chi siri antha na
abon chi siri antha
musto dukhum tum
bongso kai ke hor se mata sung to ha chong to na ke a tong pram se o boro khampa do boro na da bom phang o bo ke jang o boro
chumo ko zaro chuma
boro chumoro ai beg na ha kya chua ta ni sala bini ke document do pa khampai thang ke chin ho ration card ro khampai thang
jeba tosil verification thia agent thing chopona je mai mo soju kita khenai gob agent me sale na
mai le mai ya sio
Class 10, 12 pioneer in Baoe Kya Kotma Kaham. Dyna Group of Institute Bangalore Rietu free admission. 3 eligible students in Baoe government scholarship puri anai. Roni courses available to GNM and BSc Nursing, BBBAC, MSc, Paramedical and Pharmacy, BBA, BCA, BCom and MBA. College fee nibawe hinke na 199 mani ke government scholarship by na pore mai nai. Hostel fee moha 4500 monthly mari nai. Seats soha limited and boye dai free na bo number of contact khedi tre admission la rodi.
Step into a place full of new ideas and opportunities at Techno India University Tripura, where you learn, grow and build your future. A place that truly helps your dreams become a reality.